Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup GCP buckets for AI models using gsutil step by step clearly. To backup Google Cloud Storage buckets for AI models using gsutil, start by opening your command line interface. Ensure you have the Google Cloud SDK installed on your machine. If it's not installed, download and install it from the Google Cloud website. Once installed, authenticate your Google Cloud account by running the command cloud-auth login. This will prompt you to open a web browser and log in to your Google account. After authentication, set your desired project by executing cloud config set project your _project _ID. Replace your _project _ID with the actual project ID you want to work with. To list your existing buckets, use the command gsutil ls. Identify the bucket you wish to backup from the list provided. Now, choose a destination bucket where the backup will be stored. If the destination bucket doesn't exist yet, create it using gsutil mbgs // your _destination _bucket. Replace your _destination _bucket name with a suitable name for your backup bucket. To start backing up the data, use the command gsutil mcp rgs // source _bucket _name gs / Replace source _bucket _name with the name of the bucket you're backing up. The M flag allows for parallel uploads, speeding up the process. The R flag ensures that the copy operation is recursive, including all nested files and directories. Wait for the command to finish executing. You can monitor the progress in the command line interface. Once complete, verify the backup by listing the contents of the destination bucket using gsutil lsgs // your _destination _bucket _name. Check that all files have been copied successfully. For future backups, you may want to automate the process using a script or scheduled jobs. This method provides a reliable way to ensure your AI models and related data are safe and recoverable. Regularly updating your backups can help mitigate data loss risks. Keep your backup bucket organized with meaningful names and structure. This ensures easier access to your models when needed. You have successfully backed up your GCP buckets for AI models using gsutil. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.